In this video, we're going to look at the top 3 stocks which you want to look at for tomorrow based on options, algo, technical, fundamental, and AI. Okay, so we are going to be heavily using options flow also. Here's a general disclaimer. Basically, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purpose only. Please do your own due diligence before taking any trade. Trading is a risky business. So we are going to basically look at the stocks from the fundamental, technical, algo, options, and artificial intelligence. So fundamental, basically we want to look at good quality companies. Okay. So here is today's option marketplace. So here are the heat map of our top bullish and bearish flows. So I'm going to pick Shopify, CRM, and Snap. Okay, Snap. So it has so you can see the volume. CRM has 28.4 million calls. Okay, so let's go in detail, dive detail into each one of them. So first stock we are going to go is CRM. Okay, we are going to look at the technical aspect of it. Okay, so it's a good quality company which has profits. So now look at support resistance. So here if you can see it hit the support, but it drastically came down. So let's look at the simulate projection. So my feeling is it's going to come back to the support again. It hit the resistance and came down, so it's going to hit the support. Plus it's also far away from the 20 and 50 moving averages and then the VWAP. So it's going to drop down to the VWAP. So you can see here every time it drops down to the VWAP, then goes up. Right, so it drops down to the VWAP. It's definitely going to have a pullback. Okay, so let's look at the options flow. Options flow is very bullish. 0.91% is 90% is calls and 10% is puts. So if you look at the Algos Score, it's almost 16. It's very high. It's very bullish. So if you look at the call volume also, that's calls are higher than puts. Also call volume is higher than the put volume. Open interest. So IV is also high. So now the dominant strikes are 270. Stock is at 267, 240, 260, 270. So so they are predicting that the stock will go to 270. So if you look at the open interest, it's 260, 260, 270, 280, and 300. So this is the area. So it looks like they are predicting that stock will go to 300 eventually. So you can see that at 320 there's a huge contract. CRM called 320. Okay. So here you can see the flow. So premium, let's start by premium. So 2.6 million premium was 270. The stock it has 267, 280. So definitely this is a bullish play. So it's saying that they're going to go to 270. So next stock we want to look at is Shopify. Okay, so this is also a good quality company which has some income. So we look at support and resistance. So this is a good one because it's bouncing around the support here. It should eventually it should probably come down a little bit and then go up again. So if you look at here, it always comes down to this 20 moving average and goes up. It's come down here and then it's going up again. So now it's come down, but it's going to eventually go up. So let's look at the options flow. So it's very bearish. A lot of I think only 0.5. So 95% is puts. So if you look at Algos Score is 0.8. Doesn't see. So and then if you look at the put volume is high. Put premium also is high. You can see the IV is 30. Let's see dominant strike. So if you see that open interest, it's basically 1141180. So stock is at 1514. So you can see this 1220. So there's the open interest is focused on this area from 1220 to 1497. Okay, so you can see the put volume 17 million 1525. Stock is at 1514, 1550, 1349. Okay, so next stock we are going to cover is Snap. So it's a negative, no income, negative PE. So I'm a little concerned with that. Support and resistance. So it's basically it was a support here and it broke down. Now it's going to basically has to touch the VWAP, at least touch the VWAP or next support here. So now it's going to become resistance. So for it to go up, it's going to be a little difficult. Okay, so now let's look at the option flow. Option flow. Option flow is 90% bullish. You can see the price and Algos Score is 3.5. That's also bullish. You can see the put volume and call volume, they are going down. But put open interest is going down, but volume is going up. See, IV is very high. So dominant strike is 75. The stock is at 71. 60. The open interest is also 75, 80. Initial contact is at 80. So if you look at the option flow, 4 billion at 80, 75, 70. So they are predicting the stock will go up here. So let's look at the AI on the three stocks. So this is direction wise, this is bullish, 85% bullish. Let's look at CRM. CRM is bearish, so it's contradicting. So let's look at Shopify. So that's also bullish, this is also contradicting. So the flow was bearish, but it's contradicting. So this is, but technically this looks like it can go up because it's the support level. Thanks for watching the video. Please click share and comment on the video. If you have any questions, please post in the comments. We'll respond. Thank you.